Hello, Jim Tech Buzz back with a new video, and this time I'm back with another product from SecureDrive, and this is the SecureDrive BT HDD. And again, as the products do come in these nice cases here, which is a hard case on the outside with the branding there, and two zippers, which is really nice. And you also get an eyelet there if you want to have a lanyard strap. So we open up, you get your two cables inside, which is nice. So it's USB 3.0. as you can tell by the two ends there, and you also get a spare cable here which is capped off, which is really nice. And just pull that off there. So that's what the cable looks like there, and it's nice to get these capped off as well at the end, which is pretty nice. So you get the unit itself here then, and you will get a quick start guide here. It's pretty simple to set them up. We'll go through that with you. We've done a similar one before. So this is the HDD version, and there is different prices as well and different storage levels, and you've got a solid state as well, so it's up to yourself which one you want. It goes up to 8 terabytes, which will cost you €1,700. So if you've a lot of storage, it's going to cost you a lot of money, but it's an investment with GDPR practice stay. If you happen to lose data or stuff like that, you know what the story is, you're going to be in big trouble. So for some big companies, if people are traveling around the likes of this and carrying information, if they need to be portable, you know, it's a very worthy investment. So you can see there, it's got Bluetooth and SecureDrive there. You've got your LED lights up on top there, your port there, and then your setup there, and it's the 500 gigabyte version there. And you've got some little rubber feet on the end, so when it's sitting down, it's going to be like that. So you've got FIPS 140/2 level 3 validated, and you've got OS host independent, so it'll work with any device with a USB port, which is nice. The hardware encryption is AE 256-bit XTS. Inside is covered with epoxy and no intact media removal for hackers. And you've got user authentication with encrypted BT on Android and iOS. And you can also use your face unlock to get into this as well. You've got remote wipe 2-factor authentication as well. And you've got an admin mode, read and only mode as well, and a timeout, so for locking. So again, pretty much standard. And the remote management ready option 2, which is pretty cool. And you've got drive security, ESET, antivirus for a year, and that's pretty much it on the outside. So pretty nice, slim package to carry around as well. It's not too heavy, and it's very easy to set up. We're going to go through that anyway. So again, you can get up these, go up to 8 terabytes. Now that's going to set you back big money, and that'll be 1,700 quid. So that's for the solid state drive. And the HDD goes up as far as 1 terabyte, I think, or 2. Now it goes up to 5 terabytes, which is 418. So there's a big difference between the HDD and the SSD in pricing. So again, it's up to yourself which one that you need, but there is different pricing there for different storage, so there's something to suit everyone's pocket. But again, it would be more of an investment than anything else, because if you lose your data today, or data gets robbed on you if you're with a company and you're someone that needs to carry information around with you, it's an investment to have. So that's pretty much it. They're worth the money, worth the spend. And again, it's a nice neat little package, as you can see there, and we'll go through the setup process then. So you can use this on both Android and iOS devices, which is really nice, so you're not combined to anything in particular. And that's pretty much it. So you also got malware protection as well, just to note, and that's pretty much it for specs. There's a lot of specs, a lot of words people don't understand, but people should be really looking into carrying these with them these days. So more after the break. Jim Tech Buzz back with the SecureDrive Secure Data BT edition. So we're going to show you how you set it up. So you're going to need to download the app. So you have it on Android and iOS, which we'll show you about. You have your unit here, so you're going to pop it into your laptop or PC like so. You'll see the lights come on there. and then we'll open the app. So first of all, it's going to have to connect to your device, so I'm just going to move that over there, and you will be asked to put in your device ID, and that will be on the back, and you'll see secure data there. So I'm going to just pop in that. The number is on the back on this, so I'm going to pop that in so you can't see. So I've popped in the ID, and it'll ask you here, you'll see that it's locked. So you can press plus to add new drives down here on the bottom, and that's pretty much it. So you can see a status LED there. So if you go in here, you'll put in a password then, and you'll have to create one yourself. So you'll pop in your password like so, and you'll see that the device is now unlocked right there, which is pretty cool. And now I have access to both my PC and the drive there to start transferring files, which is excellent. So that's basically how this works, how simply it works. And then you can just walk away if you want, and if you go in here, you can go in and do the rest of the stuff here that we've showed you before. So you've got your change password, your two-factor authentication, password recovery, remember password, your Face ID unlock as well, which is excellent. I'm going to try that again here, just to show you again that works. You've inactivity lock, you've step away auto lock as I mentioned already, you've Apple Watch, reset drive, and remote wiping. So that's what it looks like on the Apple version on iOS. So what I'm going to do is plug it out, and now I'm going to plug it back in. Now you can see that's locked, and I've just used face unlock there to unlock, as you can see. Pretty damn cool, really like that feature. And again, you can see that we're all good to go on that there. So we're back now with the Android version. So you will have the app here, you can see secure data on the top. So I'm going to plug it in there like so, and let it connect to my device, and you'll open up the app, and it'll have here add to pair device, no drive sound, please plug in your drive. So you have that in there, and just go into settings and Bluetooth, and let's have a look in here, pair a new device, secure data, and that's what it's going to ask you for there when you start this way, pairing with this. So I'm going to put in my code. So now you see secure data has come up there. So we're going to go back into the app. And again, we enter the ID. So this is the awkward part. And just going to unravel that there. And I'm going to pop that code in. And the code is gone in. Initializing encryption, locked. and you have to enter in your password. Unlocking device, and as you can see now, the device is unlocked. So that's basically how this works. It's pretty simple. You can hear now I'm back in. I've access to everything there on my laptop, which is fine. And we have the green light and blue light on there, which is really excellent. So again, in here you have the same setup here. You can change the name, your password, two-factor authentication, password recovery, remember password. Biometrics, again, the same thing. You can use your fingerprint or your face, and your auto lock for an activity, step away, read only, reset drive, and remote wipe. So that's basically how this works. Really love this product and the idea, and that's how it works on both Android and iOS. And again, that's pretty much it. So just to run over everything once more, you've got FIPS 142 level 3. You have hardware encryption of AE256-bit XDS, the usual. And you do not need any software for your PC, which is excellent. You've got your remote wipe, your password retrieval, your admin and user mode, read-only mode, and timeout auto lock, and all that kind of stuff there that we spoke about earlier on in the video. So that's it for now and how it's going to work. And I have it set up on both Android and iOS. So for me, it's pretty handy to use, and it's a great piece of kit to have, especially with GDPR. You need to be GDPR compliant these days, and if not, you're in trouble. It might be expensive to some, but it is going to cost you a lot more if you don't have protection like this on the go, particularly if you're moving from office to office or traveling around. You can't get into this full stop. You know, safety is key here these days, and it's a simple solution. It's small, portable, lightweight, and it comes in all sizes of storage, and you get a keypad version as well, and you've got HDD and you've got SSDs as well. So you have a choice there. Prices to suit all pockets. You really can't go wrong. You really should have the likes of this if you need to store data. End of story, and that's it. So that's it for the SecureDrive Bluetooth package here, and really cool. So any questions, hit us up below. See you in the next one, and thanks for watching.